The evolution of Toyota, 1936 to 2023. Toyota's journey began in 1936 with the release of the Model AA, its first passenger car. This vehicle marked Toyota's transition from a textile machinery company to a pioneering automaker, led by founder Kiichiro Toyoda. Early Toyota vehicles were inspired by American designs, but were quickly adapted to meet Japan's unique needs. After World War II, Toyota rebuilt itself with a focus on affordability and reliability. In 1957, the Toyota Crown became the first Japanese car sold in the U.S., symbolizing Toyota's ambition to compete globally. The 1960s saw the launch of the Corolla, a compact and efficient car that became one of the world's best-selling vehicles. The 1970s energy crisis solidified Toyota's reputation for fuel efficiency, with models like the Corolla and Celica gaining popularity. By the 1980s, Toyota expanded into luxury with the introduction of Lexus, combining Japanese precision with premium quality. The 1990s marked Toyota's leadership in innovation, with the launch of the Prius in 1997, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. This commitment to sustainability grew over the decades, culminating in a range of hybrid and electric models by the 2020s. By 2023, Toyota had embraced advanced technologies such as hydrogen fuel cells, autonomous driving, and connected car systems, while maintaining its core values of reliability and affordability. From the humble Model AA to cutting-edge EVs, Toyota's evolution reflects a steadfast commitment to innovation and meeting the needs of a changing world.